If you touch this, it's really sticky feeling, like as if you have a soap. No, kind of. Same for this, the first one, the biggest Hunda, if you can call it, the biggest bolus. Dr. Ganesh has the opinion that every 7 filtrations, this has to be, the Koratoni has to be changed. So we are changing it now. Doctor, കൊണ്ടുപോയാ ഇത് കഴുകി എടുത്തിട്ടാണ് എടുക്കാം. ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കട്ടോ. We have just completed 14. As you can see, the change in the color of the Chara Jala. Slowly becoming orange, but we are looking for a Gomutra color. So this is the 15th one. This is just after the 16th is done. As you can see, we completed 16 rounds of filtering. And now we would prefer this because we have an edge here, and then we can minimize the loss of water compared to the steel vessel, because it comes like a yeah, we have completed up to 20th times. Now it is the 21st. Yeah, it's Dr. Ganesh Malvade from Pune. No, from Latur, who is helping us the process. The 21st, all that we need, doctor, you can make the comment yourself. No particles is needed. No? Yeah, that is what is the idea. And here this is totally clear. It's as good as putting water. Hardly there are any particles you can see. Get that. Now the filtrate part is ready now. The filtered portion. See, hardly any particle, no? This is the only parameter that we need, no? Yeah. Now we'll go for lunch. It's 2 o'clock, and then kakka. Then we will be processing the red hot kakka. That is a line. Good, fantastic. It's as good as the Gomutra. Yeah. As good as Gomutra color. Today is a Sunday, the 11th day of March 2012. The factory is closed. Nevertheless, we thought we'll prepare the Shara for the camp in Wayanad on 17th and 18th of March 2012, organized by the AMI District Committee of Wayanad. So this work is made by the efforts of the MD Dr. Girish of this and Kottayam, and here we have Dr. Ganesh Malvade. Please have a smile, doctor. So he has helped us hugely because he is part of the making and is documenting as of now. We are trying to make more out of it. We'll make it. This is the best condition for the burning to ash. $500. ഇതെല്ലാം ഒഴിച്ചേക്കാം. കൃത്യത കാണിക്കാനത് കണക്ക് കാണിക്കാതെ അതെല്ലാം കാണിക്കാം. ലഞ്ച് ബ്രേക്ക് ഇസ് ഓവർ. 5 മിനിറ്റ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ? കിട്ടുന്ന ക്ഷാരജലത്തിൻ്റെ 1/3 നമ്മൾ 500 എടുത്താൽ മതി. 500 കൂടുതൽ 600 കാണും അല്ലേ? ആദ്യം എടുത്ത ഇച്ചിരി ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? കൂടുതൽ 100 മില്ലി വയ്ക്കാം കൂടി പോയാൽ 1500 ഇതോടെ ഒഴിച്ചേര് 1600 ഇടാം.
500 will not.
And this is not even 300. 300 ഇല്ല. മറ്റേ 100 പിടിക്കാം നമുക്ക്.
250.
300 ഇല്ല, 250 എന്ന് വെച്ചോ. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് 250 ആദ്യത്തെ 600 എടുക്കാം. അല്ലേ? 1000, 1600, 189, 1850, 1900.
How we count?
Yeah. So 1900 is the filtered now, no? So we will make 1/3 reduced. അപ്പോൾ ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ എന്താ പറയാ, 1900 divide by 3 ആക്കണം. 1/3 we have to boil off.
How much is constant now?
Now 1900.
1900.
Because 600 initial, because അപ്പോൾ 500 മീതെ ഇച്ചിരി ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നല്ലോ ഈ ഭാഗത്ത്, 100 അങ്ങായിട്ട് കൂട്ടി. പിന്നെ this way ഒഴിച്ചോ. We already put 1000 ml, we are putting 1300 ml so that we can evaporate off this much, that is close to 600. Now at this level, so we have to evaporate, to reduce till this level after we put a marker, because this much is what we have to throw off, rather boil off or evaporate off, and then it will put to the red hot line. അത് ഔട്ട്സൈഡ് പറ്റും. ഔട്ട്സൈഡ് വലിയ പാടല്ലേ, നമുക്കതവിടെ എങ്ങനെ അറിയും? അല്ലെ നിങ്ങൾ ഒട്ടിച്ച് വെച്ചാലോ? അങ്ങനെ കുറുകോൽ എടുത്താലോ? എവിടെ വരെ എത്തി? 1 വരെ എത്തി അല്ലേ? 1 സെക്കൻഡ്.
1 inch.
till 1 ഇഞ്ചാണ് കേട്ടോ. കാരണം ലാസ്റ്റ് അവിടെ ചെറിയ കണ്ടെയ്നറാണ് എളുപ്പമായല്ലേ. For the viewers who are watching it, I see straight ആ വെക്കുന്നത്. Just above 1, a bit above 1.
No, 1 this mark here.
Yeah. കുഴപ്പമില്ല. For the viewers who are watching this, is just it will be easy for you that we don't have a situation where you have such a big vessel. A smaller one would have been great, but somehow we did not have it. And even kalkam we have to add it. We are now getting the line. Even 10 gram alle, because our the bhasma was, the ash was close to 100 grams, so we take 1/10 of that, 100 grams of weight. That is the kaka. That is the line. And we have to get this red hot now, doctor.
Yeah, red hot.
This takes more time actually. Yeah, about, can you please tell the characteristics of this?
Characteristics of this is calcium carbonate. It's containing calcium carbonate.
No, what I meant was you said that it has to be very hard, like that you had said.
Quality.
Yeah, quality. That's what I meant.
Quality will be smaller one.
Yeah.
And hard one.
Okay.
Which we are getting in river.
Okay.
Specifically.
Yeah.
That is more better.
Yeah.
This is very soft. If you are seeing.
Yeah.
Just after putting on this.
Yes. It will be. Yeah. Yes.
It will not broke.
Yeah.
Easily.
Yes. That is said, but this is what we could get from here, the maximum. This we have to make red hot. That's the idea. We feel the heat till this level. Now we start for the Shara Jala to be reduced. We have a specific marker. മറ്റേതുകൂടെ എടുത്തേക്കണേ, നമ്മുടെ 1 ഇഞ്ചിന്ന് കാണിക്കുന്ന
സ്കെയിൽ.
അതുകൂടെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് നോക്കിയാലേ, ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് നോക്കാമല്ലോ നമുക്ക്. So we'll be reducing it. കുഴപ്പമില്ല, നോക്കാം, ഇടയ്ക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ടി നോക്കിയാൽ മതിയല്ലോ. Not all of this has to be reduced. We are having this burned here. It will just, we have to wait for the red hot, no?
Yeah.
Then this is also happening here simultaneously. strong. Now we are close to come to the point of evaporating of 1/3. The bottom of the kadai that is now getting a bit red. We need the lime also to get red. I can see it in the background. So the red hot also. Now we are getting the red hot. That's more prominent. Now the kadai is red hot, but we need the...
No, that one is not much red hot. It will not get red hot. For heating it will
We are now crushing and crushing. We have been crushing and crushing the lime to the level of making it into powder. The important thing is that generally there is no need of making a powder and then putting there. The kakka is placed in its original form and then we keep on pounding or rather making it powdered when it is getting heated and heated. Okay, can you show that red, the redness that is coming? The red. What is indication, doctor, that we have to stop the heating of this?
color is changing. Now previously it was white, no?
Yeah,
Complete.
white, yeah.
So it will become some brownish color. After getting powder, you are moving like this, no?
Yeah.
After that time, during that period also, the kakka will get automatic slight powder by powder, piece by piece.
Yes, yes, yes. So you need a long handle.
Yeah, long handle which is
With preferably so that you don't run for it.
heat resistant.
Yeah. Longer the better. More red. More red.
Automatically all big powder it will get becoming very small fine powder automatically after getting hot.
Yes, yes, yes. Big parts will automatically break off to smallest. More red. Also the lime is changing color. Now it's a real red hot. Really red. You can see the red very clearly. No? Now we will be placing the Shara Jala to this slowly. You can guide me.
Yes. And now you can see the fine powder.
Yes. Now only fine powder is left now.
Yeah.
Padika madhya. So we are using little quantity. Wait. Full hoita. Doctor mix cheyidala.
Full.
hoita.
Fast. Idannu porthunu povu. Fast. Full.
We are mixing it quickly. Tade ke porta.
തീർന്നേ ഫുൾ ഇത് ഓഫ് ചെയ്യും അത് ഓഫ് ചെയ്യും
Off ചെയ്യാം. അത് ചൂടിന് വേണ്ടിയാണ്. ഒഴിച്ചോ.
നന്നായിട്ട് ഒഴിച്ചോ. മൊത്തം വയ്ക്കും.
കൊടുവേലി എപ്പോഴാ ജസ്റ്റ്
Just after putting that. Put it full.
Okay. Full amount we are putting it. Yes. കൊടുവേലി adjust करने हैं. The time when you have to put this.
Now it's some sort. One minute.
പറഞ്ഞിട്ടാ മതിയോ? We're putting everything together. All the Sharajala and this is in a good mix now. Kodivili will put the fiber also, doctor? No need.
No. Well, it will be when we are taking.
Yes, we'll have a fiber unnecessarily. No? Kodivili we have made the kalka, and this water more watery than the kalka itself.
One minute.
പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് മതി ഡോക്ടർ പറഞ്ഞു.
Now are you thinking that? This whitish part are you seeing, sir?
Yeah, this whitish, yes.
That one will become Shara like. Yes. It will get sedimented and other things will be get.
Yes.
But it's very difficult with this.
We need to increase the heat, is it?
Not yet. Are you thinking that this is the level that 1/3? Is it 1/3? After getting 1/3 we have to add that one. No? And just after 5 minutes we have to off it.
Okay.
More than 1/3 slide.
Okay. After we are again to make 1/3. Where is the paper there? Is it with me?
No, bigger, no?
This is the most crucial phase because we don't want this to be spilled over. നിനക്കൊന്ന് വലിയ ചട്ടി വേണമല്ലേ? കണ്ണന്നല്ലേ? നമുക്ക് എളുപ്പമാണല്ലേ വലിയ ചട്ടിയായിരുന്നു. ഇത്രയും നമ്മൾ നിൽക്കണ്ട, പേടിച്ച് നിൽക്കണ്ട. We had made the 21 times filtering. We had boiled 1/3, evaporated off, 2/3 was remaining. The 2/3 was here. It was put to there, and that was put when the red hot lime was there. And then after again further 1/3 of reduction of this, that is about 600 ml kind of situation. Doctor, what we had was already 1300, no? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Was that? So again 1/3 of that 1300. Is that the target?
Not.
No.
1/3 means total of 1/3 we have to keep it.
Okay, that is like 600 ml then. In this case.
Then also 400 ml it will come. At that time also we can put.
Yeah.
In both conditions, no problem.
Yeah. So it is at that point we will be putting the Chitraga Kalka. And here mixed in boiled jala, Chitra Kalka, 1/5 of that's of course the quantity mentioned. Mixed in boiling Shara jala plus Katashakara, that is the lime. Before Lehavat, stop the Agni. Keep in dry and cool place here. Yes, we are still waiting for the Lehavat situation. It will take more time. Some is here. That's what we can see. Yes, Doctor, please tell. Now that we have Fena, no?
This Fena, not this one. This one is different.
I'll take a picture of it. Okay, please make your comment on that. Now we have two kind of Fena.
Yeah.
One is on this side that we can see. One is a cream on the other corner, and here, you can take that, doctor, in that. And here is one that is white that we have. So the white is indicative of, doctor, the Pichila.
Pichila guna is going to increase.
Yeah.
The concentration also you can see. Consistency of that.
We want a Lehavat kind of situation. No?
Yeah, sir.
We don't want this loose water. We don't want the drop either. Kind of a.
Now we can mix that one.
If we can see, doctor, if you could show the edge, so that those viewers they don't get confused. 1 second, you can show the initial thing. Till this point was there, you can see that is the first, and now we are putting the Kodivili color, and then Kodivili is making this red color. Please note the Kodivili is Chitraga. So because since the quantity of the reduced watery content is like close to 1/3, then only we put the Chitraga. Now we are slowly increasing the flame. We had reduced the flame for the sake of putting koduvedi. Now we are again increasing the flame. If the viewers, we are just being honest with what is happening here. The black spots that you find are not that should come up. Of course, it's not decreasing its potency, isn't it, doctor? But then it doesn't look good either. So it's just that the kalka has to be very, very fine. And we remove this black koduvedi's kalka that's coming. It means the kalka, even though we have put only koduvedi chitraka, but still the black kalka is coming from nowhere. Chocolatey like that. Yeah, now it is getting.
Now we have to make
What do you need, doctor?
smaller one. Well, what we have to get it? इधर का है ना?
इधर माचेगा. ये ऑन किया. इधर ऑन किया.
अरे ना. अरे ऑन किया.
अरे ऑन किया.
अरे चंद यो. इधर लिफ्ट.
इधर रखना है.
कंप्लीट सर. इधर लिफ्ट.
इधर.
कहीं नहीं आड़ा तो पोई.
So what has happened wrong here is that we did not have a holder there to actually, because in that we have seen a rod വേണമായിരുന്നേ. ഒരു റോഡ് ഇങ്ങനെ വേണമായിരുന്നു. മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ? പൊക്കിയെടുത്ത് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് മാറ്റാനായിട്ട് ചൂട്. So doctor, the ideal method is that it should have some
liquidity has to be there. This is solidity, no?
Yeah.
That one is different only.
Then it would have
we
settled.
can mix it in that preparation.
Which one?
That preparation. Tomorrow we are again preparing, no?
Yeah.
So before that, means, just before mixing the kalka, that we have to mix this one. Then, so that one can be mixed in that, and on this we can put it.
So ideally, what did Ravi Shankar sir again say that about supposing we get this kind of a situation? Because then, at this point here, it is that the water has gone away, no?
Yeah.
The Sharajala.
Yeah.
Ideally, if we had a situation that to bring it down from there to here quickly.
Stop the Agni directly.
Yeah.
That is done.
Yeah.
But it is somewhat hot, no?
Yeah. So it is, of course we put the off. Others we should have put a low flame kind of, no?
Yeah.
And to maintain some liquid there.
Yeah.
Because I remember you had switched it off, but still it is like going away.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So in that situation,
only that one.
So
Spoon is there. Adalla. If we are getting like this powder, no?
Yeah.
Then also no problem. This can be used as a chara.
Okay. But is it that a bit dagdha than the normal? This color of this?
Slight. Because the pitchil guna has to be there, no?
Yeah.
Means shara gunas are mentioned after shara guna.
So I think when we had a stage of lehya like that, no? Then we should have stopped. Is that what you meant?
Yeah. But I am quite doubtful that chakka, whether it's correct or not, because it is not getting pitchil guna clearly. Now you can see the pitchil guna of this one, no?
Yeah.
This
Chakka means which one? The Koduvedi?
Sorry, that Koduveli.
Koduveli, yeah.
Maybe according to that also.
Yeah. So here, what we can do now, doctor?
Yeah. This powder form is getting white.
Okay. Yeah.
This one will get sediment automatically, and this watery part will get upward.
Yeah. So what happened to us is that we overshoot the heat, and even if we switched off the heat, we could not just download it to a smaller vessel, isn't it? With a lesser intensity of this, and then secondly we could not make it this one of the retaining of the water.
Yeah, sir.
Isn't it?
Yeah, correct.
This is what has happened. So we can remove as next. That's why we did in a small quantity, no? So what Ravi Shankar sir says that even if you put Gomutra on top of it, it will still remain
considered as a Kshara Jala.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gomutra should not lose the property.
Yeah.
But what I seen that Tirupati sir, they are making complete dried powder like this.
Okay.
After that, in steel vessels, it can be removed very easily. Like that, we are moving from here, no?
Yeah.
Like this. I think.
Very medium, as we have described before, we just overshot it because it was not supposed to be too sandra or too dry. Since we have overshot it, Ravi Shankar sir, Nati, Sandram, Nati.
Nati Ghanam, Nati Pichila. Nati Sandram, Nati Pichila.
So, anyway, we were a bit disappointed with what was happening. Nevertheless, we have been directed to add double the quantity of water. So it's about easily more than 150 grams. Sorry, more than 50 grams is this chocolate kind of consistency. So Ravi Shankar sir has said to add about this much of water, 100 ml, but we are putting a bit more, and he said make it like a sambar. Sambar over avananu. Manasayallo idu.
Mix cheyam sir.
Yeah, we will add, doctor, no problem. And then he said keep it for about a week, and then only we will realize the potency of the same. But just for the viewers to know that we had overshoot. We did not overshoot, it was just that the heat was beyond our control. But that's how we learn the process anyway.
I didn't mix the full sir.
Yes, sir. So we are making so it's like we are going back to old, no, doctor?
Yeah, sir.
We are putting. So he feels that definitely the potency of the Kshara will be remaining there, nothing to worry. Keep this water adding. Make it like a sambar consistency. Allow it to settle for a week, and then it becomes easier for the separation. Adding more. We are adding more because just mixing is sufficient, because we don't want too much of watery. We don't want too much of solid. We neither want a chocolate nor we want a milk consistency. We want a semi-solid, which will again heat up slow flame. And we leave it for a week. So definitely I can't take this to the Wayanad actually, doctor.
Yeah.
It's impossible.
1 week also necessary.
Yeah. Because we only have 5 days. Yeah, that's sedimenting there. ഇത് വയനാട്ടിലെ ആ രോഗികളുണ്ടല്ലോ വരുന്നത്, അവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി എടുക്കാന്ന് കാര്യം ഇപ്പം എന്ത് ചെയ്യാന്നുള്ളതാണ്. അവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഡോക്ടർമാർക്ക് ഇച്ചിരി ഫ്രീ ആയിട്ട് കൊടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി സംഭവം. നമ്മൾ തന്നെ ഇവിടെ കരിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുക.
And only we can understand. What he told sir about that Chitraka Kshara? Chitraka,
anytime it can be added, he said.
But after adding just color it changes, no?
Yeah, he said don't worry about the color. Even if it is brown, it will make it. So nothing to worry on that.
A small spoon will be there, no sir?
Cherry spoon, uttagani itrayum.
This one, it is getting attached stick to this one, no?
Yeah. Cherry spoon and yeah, we can see the difference, no, doctor?
Yeah.
Make it like sambar. Adu kanna inde ide regulate idale. Heat. We are again reheating it so that this time we don't overshoot. Ide choodu ഒരുപാട് പോകാതെ. Now we are getting those powders, no, doctor? Separate. Now the color is changing, no, doctor? Quickly.
Yeah.
പെട്ടെന്ന് അത് ചൂട് ആവിയായി പോവല്ല കണ്ണൻ. അതിന്റെ ചൂട് കുറച്ചേക്കാം. Doctor, will reduce the heat, you feel?
No. From there, other side.
അല്ല, അതിന് ചൂട് കുറയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? അത് മാറ്റുക. Will off it, you mean? Or we reduce the heat, doctor? Reduce the flame?
See, sir.
The flame is coming again, no? Yeah, we put 50 ml more than the required, no?
Yeah.
So stand by. എല്ലാം കഴിഞ്ഞു പോയൊക്കെ ഇച്ചിരി വെള്ളം കൂടുതൽ ഒഴിച്ചാലേ when the pada is coming it is pitchila, no?
Yeah. See the whiteness.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I can get the smell of that. I think you can reduce the heat. So that's very minimal. Let us see how it is happening, doctor. That's how it is now. And once you throw it off, I don't know why this much of brown. Now here we see the shadow. No? Yes. The
quantity will be very less, sir. This much, for this much, it will get very little.
Tomorrow when we make the bigger version, no, doctor?
We will be continuing with only small flame.
Yeah. Or we can reduce the flame after a certain point, no?
Yeah. Like sambar?
No, please. Let us see. Can put. No, doctor. It's still like a pulisheri. It's not like a sambar.
Quantity is very less, no? Difficult to.
Do you think with more tomorrow when we do a bigger one, this vessel is enough?
Enough. Slowly we add it. Tomorrow is not much bigger, no? That same quantity today what we use. Half was used today.
Only half, yeah. No, we have that kalka, no? That ash, that big, that in that one.
That total we will do.
So when everything is put together.
Lastly we will see if it's enough or not.
Yeah.
ചെറിയ കുപ്പി ഉണ്ടോ? Transparent.
It's not transparent.
If it's
but
transparent, then
yeah, it is whitish, but it's not transparent. അവിടെ ലേപത്തിന്റെ അല്ലേ പറയുന്നത്? അവിടെ തുറന്നേക്ക് തന്നെ. Now we have put the pipe across to make sure that doctor, no? To make sure that whenever we can uplift, we uplift at any point. Can I see if it is a sample like that? കരിഞ്ഞു വെച്ചാ നമ്മുടെ അധ്വാനം ഏറെക്കുറെ പാഴായി. സാറിനെ വിളിച്ചിട്ട് ഒന്നുകൂടെ ചോദിച്ചു, ഒരു പരിഹാരം പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഒരാഴ്ചയിൽ അറിയത്തുള്ളൂ ഇത് എഫക്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടോ ഇല്ലേ. കരിഞ്ഞെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അവസാന നിയന്ത്രണം നമ്മൾ റോഡില്ലല്ലോ. ചോക്ലേറ്റ് ആയിപ്പോയി ബാക്കി. അപ്പോൾ സാറ് പറഞ്ഞ് വെള്ളം ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് സാമ്പാർ പോലെ ആക്കിയാൽ കുഴപ്പമില്ല, 1 വീക്ക് വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് മാത്രം, ഡയറക്റ്റ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. ആ സമയം കൊണ്ട് പൊട്ടൻസി കിട്ടുമെന്നാണ് സാർ പറഞ്ഞത്. അപ്പം നഷ്ടപ്പെടാനൊന്നുമില്ല, എങ്കിലും ഇന്ന് ആ ഫിനിഷിങ് കിട്ടുന്നില്ലെന്ന് അർത്ഥം. Can we look for that, doctor? സാമ്പാർ പോലെയാണ്. ഇപ്പം നമ്മൾ പുളിശ്ശേരി കണക്ക് നോക്കി ഗ്യാസൊക്കെ നിർത്തി, എല്ലാം ടൈമിംഗ് എല്ലാം കറക്റ്റ്. പക്ഷേ ചൂട് കിടപ്പുണ്ട് വെച്ചാ. പിന്നെ ഒന്ന് ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റി കുറവല്ലേ വെച്ചാ, ഐറ്റംസ് കുറവല്ലേ.
Now we have to stop it.
Huh?
I think it's like we stop it.
Stop, huh? Because that.
The sedimentation will happen of this one. The
Yes,
whitish
yes.
part you are getting now.
Yes, yes, yes.
That one will get
Any
sedimentation.
off situation? Just tell me whenever. Can you get like a sambar doctor if you see that? That is more important.
See, sir.
What?
This side,
Yes, yes.
layer is getting, no?
Yes, yes.
This one.
Yes, yes, yes.
So it
That will
has to be
sediment, yeah.
Yeah, that will
That's a
sediment.
semi-solid.
Otherwise, this will go somewhat beyond that.
ഇതിന്റെ കറക്റ്റ് ഒരു പാകമുണ്ട് ഇതിന്
The ചെറിയ spoon ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, no, sir.
മനസ്സിലായി
With that, we can do. With this, it's very difficult to
Yes,
put.
yes, yes. Now we'll off it, doctor.
Just 1 second.
നോക്കിയിട്ട് ബിക്കോസ് ഹീറ്റ് വിൽ നമ്മൾ ലോ ഫ്ലെയിമിൽ പിന്നെ വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് ചെറിയ സ്പൂണാണ് വേണ്ടി വരും ഇനിയിപ്പോഴേ എത്രയാകുമ്പോഴേ അവിടെ കണ്ടോ കട്ടൻ ഒരുമാതിരി കക്കം പോലെ ഓഫ് ചെയ്തല്ലേ
ഇതും കുറച്ചുകൂടി പൊടി അകത്ത് പോയി. Now it's
No, it's correct, no? ഇപ്പം അത് സെഡിമെന്റ് ആവും
Now you see, sir.
കണ്ടോ
Because of that is a steel patram. I told you. Steel patram വേണം. ഇവിടുത്തെ steel patram ഇല്ല.
ഇതില്ല
Now it's getting, see, sir. Now again it's getting. വേറെ പാത്രം ഉണ്ടോ? വേറെ പാത്രം. While we have to add it. This one is the correct solution. Naati ganam, naati sandram. Because of this heat. ഇങ്ങനെ പോകും. For in this steel it will not get because this one will long term
heat.
ഇത് കണ്ടോ. Slight water we will add.
ഇത് വെള്ളത്തോട് കൂടി എടുക്കണം. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞൊരു സമയമില്ലേ
ടൈമിംഗ് time we did add a little water to it because the timing at which it is stopped is very very important so that we don't have more we are waiting for the right sambar kind of condition, no, for the same. Actually, when we took out, no, that was the right situation, isn't it? When we taken out that.
For that small spoon is there, no? So
Yeah.
you can collect it and
keep in this kind of small things. This has to deposit actually then.
you will get it. Sediment. 7 days I told, no? To have it. No, it will get so. Sure.